Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I am going to share with you how to lift up your cheeks, how to get rid of nasolabial folds, smile lines, all of that in simple 3 exercises. And trust me, if you do them regularly, you will see the results as you do see with all of my other exercises. So if you are watching me for the first time, let me tell you, I do make facial exercise videos, I do make product reviews, I make anti-aging stuff. So the facial exercises you can watch here. I'm showing you here the playlist. The same I will be linking in the description box. Do check them out and do watch my other videos. They might help you as they have been helping many people around the world. So let's start. So number one thing that I want to share with you is here that always start by warming up your face. So always I do start my exercises by tapping, and that way you do get blood circulation running. Especially now that today we are going to focus more on this area, please make sure that you tap good amount. So number one, you have to make a O. Okay, so like this, and then you will be keeping your hand on the cheek. Why I'm keeping my hands here? To provide the resistance, and that will build the muscle. So what you have to do is, like suppose I'm just giving example like this. Like this, okay? You're gonna try to smile, or you're gonna try to build up this muscle like that. Like this, but with the hand on it, so that you get the resistance. So you're gonna put your fingers like that, make a O, and smile. And do it 10 times in the beginning. When you do it even 10 times, you will feel the stretch, you will feel the burn. And initially don't overdo the exercises. That is also one more thing that you should not be overdoing. So do this 10 times first, all of the exercises, then eventually you can do 20 and maximum 30 times. Don't do more than that. Now moving on to number 2 that you have to do is same with this one. How you have to do, you have to close your lips like this. Okay, and then again you will be placing your finger and try to smile 10 times. So how do you do it? Hold your lips, close them, and at the end you can even hold the position for 10 seconds or 15 seconds or so to feel the burn. So you can be like, alright, now moving on to the third one. This is from Coco Hayashi that I learned, and I think her exercise, this one is awesome and excellent for lifting up your cheek area, because when your cheeks start drooping, you start getting these lines, and if you firm up your cheeks, nothing is going to droop and you will not be having any mouth wrinkles or so. So for this one, what you have to do is, I have improvised it a little bit, because what she was doing, when I was doing that one, I was having many eye wrinkle issues. So I improvised that, and how do I do that? I'm going to share with you. So what do you have to do in this one? You have to O, then you have to smile, but the inner lip is going to go inside, and these teeth will be exposed when you smile. So how do you do? Ho, and then and you have to hold this position for 10 seconds, and make sure that you are putting this one inner lip inside and your upper teeth are exposed. and you can even expand your eyes like that, and you should be holding this area, because for me I feel otherwise this area tends to become like squeezed and all, and you can be creating more wrinkles here, and I don't want you to do that. So do like this. Oh, so now that I've been doing these exercises for quite some time, I can hold it for longer, but initially you will be able to hold, I think, 10 or 15 seconds hardly, I think so, and you will feel a lot of burn here, and eventually you'll see your cheeks being lifted and you can feel that thing, you know, working here. And these 3 exercises are excellent if you really want to get rid of this nasolabial fold, especially, you know, help you so much. Just be regular, do once a day. Morning would be the best time to do them. As you wake up, do wake up your muscles and do these exercises the first thing in the morning, and eventually you will see a whole lot of difference. As you can see, my cheeks are also, you know, filling up here. So I hope you like the video. If you have any questions related to this, or if you want me to share with you any other facial exercise, do comment below. I'll be more than happy, and do take care. Bye.